Alright, here's where the American Legion used to be. Here's the tank. I keep telling everybody that the tank even took damage, and here's the damage it took. You got some of the fins broke and whatnot, but she took some damage. We had flags all over it. There's one. There's one. These are flags that we just found and stuck on here and everything else like that. Lost too many people out here for it not to have them. So there she is. You know it's got to be bad when the tank's taking fucking damage from a tornado.